As a parent, you find that children don't listen to you. They don't study when you ask them to. They waste time on video games, watching TV, or browsing the web. Hi, my name is Shafqat Ali. I'm the founder and team coordinator at Young Innovators. Young Innovators Network enables students to become independent, smarter, and productive learners through a series of workshops. In our workshops, we use three steps mentoring philosophy to help children in the learning process. These steps are engagement, environment, and encouragement. In short, we call them 3E. We learned that parents can also use this approach in their parenting. We thought it might be beneficial for sharing these parents like you through a series of three videos. And this is the first one for you. In this video, we'll talk about the first step, that is engagement. To engage with your child, firstly, you need to observe their daily routine. You need to know what they like, what they don't like, what are their favorite activities. For that, you might need to observe and listen to them more and don't judge their each and every action. Secondly, you need to know that if you want them to open up to the naturally, share your childhood stupid or innocent mistakes or stories, compliment them on their small achievements, and temporarily ignore their minor mistakes. We learned that complimenting more give them a confidence to speak up. This way they feel more comfortable and relaxed to share their stories with their true feelings. Thirdly, do you know who are their best friends? You might need to interact with them casually so you know the social and study personality of your child outside the home. Find out what are their favorite subjects. Talk to their teachers in parent-teacher meeting. Ask them what is your child learning passion and also check with them what are the expectations from you as a parent. Fourthly is also look through your child homework and assessment, especially where they get high marks or where they do the work over the board, exceeding the teacher's expectation. Look at their project work, especially the one they are excited to share about. The lastly, beside entertainment activities, what are your child hobbies? What do they love to learn outside the school? What skills they want to develop? Something they just want to keep doing. Basically, the whole idea is to learn your child's inner passion for some particular learning area, something they love to do, and they have a natural talent to grow in that area of study. As young innovators, we believe every child has a natural talent for something special. All we need to find it, find one what they love. Also, you need to know your child learning style as well. If you never heard of learning styles, we have given a link in the description to get more information. So here is a summary once again to know the practical steps to engage with your child. Firstly is observe and listen to your child more, condemn and criticize them less. The number two is compliment on their little positive action rather than picking on their minor mistakes. The third one is you can talk to their best friends and teachers because they will give you a sneak peek on their behavior outside the home. Number four is learn about their favorite study areas by examining their report cards and projects. The last one, number five, make note of their extracurricular activities, what they take optionally in a school or do with their friends or they participate online. So these were the five steps. To help you further, we have asked you some simple general questions to get your thoughts and experiences as a parent. What did you try and what worked for you? In the second video, we share some ideas about how to set up an organic learning environment around your child where they grow his or her capabilities very naturally. And we'll send that video as you submit your response.